This poll season, chai has taken centre stage again. From Prime Minister Modi to Rahul Gandhi to Priyanka Vadra, the humble chai has become a big tool of political messaging, and everyone seems to be taking a sip to target their rivals.
कैसे मालूम टोकरी में जा रहा है ऐसे ये
They say you can see your future in tea leaves. And if that's true, Priyanka Gandhi will certainly be hoping for a revival across the board. Seen here with tea garden workers in pole-bound Assam, the younger of the Gandhi siblings is drumming up the dust on an increasingly visible campaign trail.
Priyanka Gandhi Jindabad! 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 Priyanka Gandhi Jindabad! Jindabad! Jindabad!
Yesterday she was seen breaking into the local Jhumar dance with the local tea tribes in Assam's Lakhimpur. The issue of women's safety and the emotive issue of tea taking centre stage.
चाय के बगान में भी मजदूरों की यही हालात है कि बहुत कम वेतन बढ़ाया गया है 5 सालों में। और आपने सुना होगा कि कांग्रेस ने ऐलान किया है कि जब हमारी सरकार आएगी तो 365 रुपए तक बढ़ाया जाएगा।
The political flashpoint over chai has been building up for weeks now. Just last month, the Prime Minister arrived in Assam to declare that forces abroad were conspiring to destroy Indian tea.
देश को बदनाम करने के लिए साजिश रचने वाले इस स्तर तक पहुंच गए हैं कि भारत की चाय को भी नहीं छोड़ रहे। ये साजिश करने वाले कह रहे हैं कि भारत की चाय की छवि को बदनाम करना है योजनाबद्ध तरीके से।
The Prime Minister was referring to the controversial toolkit tweeted by teen climate activist Greta Thunberg in connection with the farmers' protest, in which one of the action points mentioned was disrupt yoga and chai image of India in general. That these words came from the mouth of a man who began life as a tea vendor in Gujarat has been lost on no one.
शाम तो नहीं है, लेकिन चाय बनारस की बड़ी मशहूर है। तो यहाँ पे घाट पे काफी आते थे बचपन में, पहले जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे।
भाई बढ़िया चाय है, वाह।
But the tea metaphor is popping across the states. In Tamil Nadu, Rahul Gandhi too picked up a tumbler of tea to affirm the glory of Tamil Nadu's favorite beverage.
Rumba Nalla tea, best tea in Tamil Nadu. What is your name? Murugesan. Thank you.
Tea leaves may hold fortunes, but tea is a touchy topic as well for the Congress party.
माँ को इसलिए गुस्सा आता है कि बेटा रह गया। बेटे को गुस्सा इसलिए आ रहा है कि हम इतने पढ़े लिखे लोग और ये चाय वाला बैठ गया।
It was a series of Chai Pe Charchas back in 2014 that allowed the Modi campaign to grow deep roots ahead of its historic victory.
हिंदुस्तान का कोई कोना ऐसा नहीं होगा जहां पर चाय का महात्मा ही ना हो।
And it was a derisive snipe by Congress leader Mani Shankar Iyer on Modi's Chai Wala antecedents that gave Modi a cup that he has savoured for 6 years and running. The Congress will be hoping the Chunavi chai tastes just a little sweeter this time. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.